What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be replacing the landing gear on my Mavic Pro. It broke. I don't know how it broke, but what I'm thinking is I was on a boat. I usually, when I get done flying the drone parts of the day, I put this on boat B. I'm usually on boat A. I think somebody ended up stepping on the case. As you could see, here, the case is a soft case, so it has no protection at all. The only thing this will protect it from is nothing. So I think somebody stepped on it on accident and broke the landing gear. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to replace it. They have these on Amazon. I think paid $12. It was really cheap. I will link to this down in the description, but let's get into it. Okay, so here's the packaging that came from Amazon. Really nothing to it. It's just some landing gears, all it is. There's two. I'm only going to be replacing one. It comes with a tool that you need. I think you could see that. And then it comes with two landing gears. So I think I'm just going to use the same screws that came with the drone. It does come with extra screws as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just take out the screws. Like I said, the packet came with a little Allen wrench. So I'm going to use that Allen wrench because I did have my own set of tools, but literally everything, it don't fit. Nothing fits. So luckily it does come with an Allen wrench in the Amazon packet that I purchased, and we are going to take those out now. And as I am noticing here, the screws come out very easy. This is my first time taking these out, and they're not too tight. They're really easy to come out, at least on mine. I know it's different on every drone. So as you've seen, the first screw is out. It was very easy to come out. I am not going to be showing you guys how to take out all three. It's the same thing, same step, every screw. Okay, so as you've seen, all the screws are out. All the screws I took out are right here, all three of them. And I got to look for that antenna. I'm going to try to do it without breaking anything. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do now is, take this off with the antenna. I got some tweezers, I think they're called. What are these called? Tweezers? Just so you know, the goal of fixing this is I have to sell it. Because I just got the Mavic Pro 2. I don't have to sell it, but I'm gonna sell it. So I want to do this without breaking it so I could sell it, obviously. So wish thou luck upon me. That was extremely easy. Look, so it has some of this white, what's that, silicone maybe? Is that what it's called? Silicone. I had like one little piece to take off with the tweezers and it was ready to go. So let me demonstrate how it came out. And then, yeah. So that's the antenna that I was talking about right here. That's the antenna that you have to look out for when changing this out. But that was super easy. See if I can do this. Yep, that's it. So now that I have the old and broken one out, I could replace it with a new one I got off Amazon. Just remember the link is down in the description. So let's see if I could get this put in without blocking the camera. There it is, that's the way it goes. Okay, so once you get the new one, it goes down. There's the bottom of it. This is the new one. Obviously, I'm not going to put silicone on it, but it goes in. I don't know. I hope you could see this. Let's see if I can make it to where you can see it. There we go. So that's the antenna, as you know. And it's going to go in just like this. Hopefully. Hope it wasn't in focus because my big old hand got in the way. So it goes down just like this, real nice and simple. So all you have to do after that is tighten up the screws that came out of it. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Then you're ready to fly again. So as you've seen, it's a pretty easy replacement. I took the broke one off, put the new one on. All you have to do is look out for the antenna. Make sure you don't pull before you unattach the silicone that's on here. So yeah, that's it. Honestly, it's really simple, as you've seen, step by step. These do break, so don't panic when they do. Just buy another one, $12 on Amazon, and you're good to go. So with that, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.